you're probably familiar with standard lateral raises, like this. There are two problems with that exercise. First, it often turns technique-wise into a bit of a lawnmower movement where you involve the scapular muscles, even the spine, and a lot of body English. So that's not ideal for monitoring your progression and also not ideal for isolating the side deltoids, which is usually the primary target of the exercise. Second problem is that the moment arm is literally zero. The moment arm literally is equal to the arm in the case of a lateral raise, is zero in the bottom position. There's no tension on the lateral deltoids at long muscle lengths. And recent research has shown in multiple studies that training muscle groups at long muscle lengths results in more muscle hypertrophy than training them at shorter lengths, a phenomenon that's become known as stretch-mediated hypertrophy. So what you want is high tension in this position, not just in this position. You can achieve that and standardize your technique with what I like to call factory lateral raises. So demonstrate the exercise. You put a plate here, you support it with your arm, you raise the plate up until just up to the point where it doesn't start sliding. There's not really a benefit to going super high. You can go high if you want, but the goal of the exercise is that in this position here, when the lateral deltoid is at long lengths, the arm is at your side, there is still high muscle tension. So the tension is along this part of the movement. If you would move the plate up all the way here, then there would be no muscle tension. But that's fine because that's not the most important part of the exercise. The important part is this part, the long muscle lengths for the lateral head of the deltoids. And these are understimulated by most traditional exercises. Overhead presses, you don't really get to that super long muscle lengths. Lateral raises with dumbbells also. Cable lateral raises do it, but many exercises don't. So give this exercise a try and let me know what you think.